All right, ready, set, go. Looks like it's video time, okay? Thanks, first of all, for watching my videos. All right, subscribing to my YouTube channel or maybe finding me on Facebook. Get a hold of me in the inbox, I don't mind, or Cory at CoryDraper.com. That's my email. All right, and all this information will be beside or below the video somewhere, okay? So, anyway. All right, secret sauce. You always think, what's the secret ingredients to Kentucky Fried Chicken? Okay, here in America, the chicken, the spice. Oh man, everybody just loves that Kentucky Fried Chicken, but what's the secret? Okay, what's that secret recipe? Or McDonald's, the Big Mac sauce. Is there a secret to Big Mac sauce? Here in Utah where I live, it's called fry sauce. When you get French fries, every single place here will go, would you like some fry sauce? And basically it's like ketchup with mayo mixed together, a little bit of twist of that. And it really is good. Try it. Just get ketchup and mayo and kind of mix it 50-50 to whatever you're liking. There's not a real big secret to secret sauce, but maybe there is. Maybe I don't know. Maybe I just let the cat out of the bag. But secret to online moolah. How the heck do some people seem to make money in any business they're in? Okay, it just seems, maybe they have a personality for video, or maybe they just have that list they built up over a 5 to 10 or to 20 year period where basically someone might memorize something that they watch and then hurry and make a video while it's fresh in their mind. That's probably what I do. I hurry and watch something and then film like I know what I'm doing and talk like this, like I've just, and then I'll be that guru, okay? Guru with a bad haircut that looks like a horsetail, okay? Well, you know what? You don't have to fake it to make it, in my opinion. Not anymore. Because if you're new and have no experience, and you just say, guys, watch this training video, watch this recruiting video, check out this short video about an opportunity or service or maybe something on Amazon or who knows. There's so many things online to look at or to buy or want to be a part of, okay? But faking it to make it, in my opinion, you just don't have to do that anymore. Be yourself. If you're new to something but excited, tell people. If you join something and have no idea what you're doing, just tell people through email, post on social media, or if you want to get a webcam like I do, just say and go, guys, I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, but if you can go to CoryDraper.com, there's a nice video, and I think you'll like what you see. Then thank people for their time. I always do. Time is just as valuable as money. You will agree with me if you're my age or older. I'm born in the 60s. Guys, time, it don't stop for no one. I don't know if I'm going to be reincarnated as a tree or probably a fire hydrant with dogs peeing on me. But right now, I like to just get to the point and say, this seems to work. It does make a difference in my life. It helps me create something, build something. It helps me to pay my bills. Okay? There's probably a reason why you're watching this video, and maybe it's because you're trying to earn something online or on your cell phone or in your pajamas at your kitchen table, okay? It's nice just to make extra money, period. But boy, if you can do it on your cell phone, awesome. Or your home computer, I think it's even better because you can relax. You have a table, put a nice screen in front so you don't have to squint like this. Hello, what's up? But when you start making money online, which I'd say 90% of the people, or 99% of the people that probably watch my videos or know me, they do make their money at home. Okay, they're not driving their Tesla car automated and sitting there, I hope not, typing and texting away while they're driving. But I'd say most people, they get home, they relax and do some cool stuff and invite people, hopefully, to watch movies, little videos. That's all I do. I wish it was more dynamic. Like in back of me is there's just bells and whistles and buttons and just massive computers. And man, you're just blown away at how much I know. Because the pile of money I make each month, it's like, okay, well, it's relevant to all the equipment. And man, he's paid his dues. 5, 10, 20, 30 years he's been doing this. Guys, I am not that Grant Cardone or Tony Robbins or Dean, or there's all these gurus out there. Man, I got 10, 20, 30 years experience. I'm like, well, I don't. I think online marketing and affiliate marketing and ClickBank, it bores the hell out of me. So what I like to do is video, because this is entertaining. I like to do little smarty pants emails. My posts, I like to make them interesting. I make it interesting. And with my opportunities, you set them up once, you get a domain name like at GoDaddy, and you invite people to that link. And then you let videos already produced do the recruiting, talk about the products. All right. Everything I do as a customer service or a support. Okay. Because I do have a lot of time to help you guys. No doubt about it. There's not one person, and I've helped over easily 1,000 people, and I'm not kidding you, over the last year and a half, almost 2. Okay. My 2-year anniversary of doing anything like this online is right around April 1st, April Fools on 2025. Because April of 2023, I just sat down and I said, I'm going to try this darn thing out. I'm going to see if I can do online sales. Okay, and I got good in one business, then 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, if you go to CoryDraper.com, I'm going to show you businesses that I joined, I set up, and when you click the link, you just go to little videos and watch. And if they're for you, great. If not, no one gives a rat's ass. You're on your way to the left and I'm on to the right, building Legos or working on one of my bikes or cars or whatnot, okay? But I don't mind putting a few hours a day in because this is entertaining. I love video. It's a lot of fun for me. But I like to work on my trucks and my bikes and stuff in my shorts. Maybe I'm in my underwear, okay? But anyway, go to CoryDraper.com. Okay, there it is right up on your screen. There's my business card I made. I bought that domain from GoDaddy 100 years ago. Let me shrink up the card. This is what the website looks like. And if you want to look into LiveGood, click the button. Guess what? It goes to a page already built. People put their name and email address in. They watch this YouTube video. And guys, if they want to join LiveGood or get more information, they just put their email and name in, and they'll get one nice email from me, from the company, every day. And if you want to opt out, just opt out. Delete the website. Go on your way. This marketing campaign right here, boy, education. This is what has given me the most information on how to be captivating, funny, crazy. I don't know. I have people addicted to my channels that write me every day just for fun. Nothing to do with business. And that's what I want. I want people to have fun. It's a social thing. What do you think it's called? Social media. Okay. Legacy builders. Check it out. I'm very used to making $100 to $900 a day. This is just 1 out of 6 more opportunities you can look into. And all my opportunities, they complement. Do you notice a pattern? You put your name in, click a link, watch a few videos. And guys, if you're interested, great. If you join, I'll do everything I can to help you. All right, this is a really nice opportunity. Legacy, one great company. I love Michelle and her partner, Michelle, and everyone that I've met through Legacy, just the sweetest people. Okay, same with the funnel system. Guess what? You click it, and do you see a pattern? Guess what? Beautiful web page. I didn't make this. Okay, all I do is invite people to my custom link. You can see up here. All right, the blue. See where it says multiple income funnel? Well, guess what? People watch this YouTube video, and it's really fun, actually. You click that red little button, and guess what? You're either in or out. And you can see how I have 4 incomes with 1 click instead of 1. You want to look into LiveGood? Click it, watch, and see what's up. Okay? With my recipe, with my non-secret sauce. Guys, I tell everyone what I do because if you join me and I help you make money, guess what? I get a little bit too. I don't get 90% of your income, but if I can get a little bit for helping you, and then I can help you get people. And if we're in an affiliate situation where if you make money, I make money. Well, guys, if you make money, it's from doing what I'm doing right now. Helping people come aboard, join your product, your service, your opportunity. Okay? In my case, everything I do is on CoryDraper.com. I have no secrets. I don't care what anyone says. Every one of my opportunities makes me money and kicks ass. And it's all based on basically just clicking something. Go to YouTube and do your research on reviews or whatever. Guys, I'm not shy. I've been in FM radio on and off for 35 years. Someone wants to do a live Zoom to prove me wrong. I'm right here. I ain't going anywhere. If I make a video about something, it's making me money. And I believe that if you join, you can make money too. There's no reason for me to promote something that I think is complicated and you're not going to be able to do. Because I can go sell stuff and I actually have a nice life without, you can take away my income and my computers. Guys, I still have a couple incomes. All right. I've been busting my ass since I was about 14 to 15. I've never been unemployed a day in my life. All right. I'm street smart like a mofo. You put me on that Titanic, I will somehow find a damn speedboat and with a heater, I'll heat that damn ocean. I'll do whatever I can to get everybody out in a nice hot tub of ocean and get to New York. Okay. When you're street smart, I prefer that. All right. If you have a diploma or you join and you took 2 months to learn something, how to earn, I don't do that. We're going to earn and learn at the same time. Because if you make money, guess what? You ain't going nowhere. Can you spend $10 and make 100? Awesome. Wonder if you join something and you start making $100 to $900 a day. Okay. I can't promise that to you, but all I can tell you is the opportunities that I set forth right up on your screen or cell phone, they're working right now. Most of the companies that you're going to see is generating millions a month by a lot of people. Okay. There's no fluke. Right now it's in the middle of December. In a week or so, it's going to be Christmas. A couple weeks, it's going to be New Year 2025. And you know what? The opportunities I do, they're going to kick ass even in 2025, 2026, 2027. I don't do speedboats in winter and snow skis in the summer. Okay. I'm not looking for seasonal income. I want income 24 hours a day while I'm sleeping, pooping, hiking, and break dancing. Look at these moves. Sexy, right? All right. So I just want you to go to CoryDraper.com and check out some of those opportunities. I like when people start with Live Good. It's my little baby. And then what I'm going to do is show you little opportunities that can help you be successful and live good and all the other ones that are on your screen. So anyway, if you don't mind, I just want you to go to this website right here, CoryDraper.com. And I think you can see that big old giant card that I made on Vistaprint right there. Okay, guys? Okay, thanks for your time. Go to YouTube and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And go ahead and email me if you'd like to. Cory@CoryDraper.com. All right, guys. Peace and love. Thanks for your time. Okay, get a hold of me if you need something. Talk to you later.